Introducing the Lululemon Studio Mirror is not just a regular mirror. It's a touchscreen display that streams high-quality video and audio to your living room. You can choose from a variety of workouts, such as yoga, Pilates, cardio, strength, boxing, dance, and more. You can also customize your workouts by selecting the music, instructor, difficulty level, and duration. But what makes the Lululemon Studio Mirror really special is that it's interactive. You can see your own reflection on the mirror, so you can check your form and alignment. You can also get real-time feedback from the instructors and join live classes with other members. You can even sync your heart rate monitor and Apple Watch to the mirror and see your stats on the screen. The Lululemon Studio Mirror is like having a personal trainer and a gym in your home. It's perfect for anyone who wants to stay fit and have fun without leaving the house. It's also very sleek and elegant, so it blends in with any decor. When you're not using it, it just looks like a normal mirror. The mirror currently costs $995, not including membership for classes. Introducing the Gagets flashlight. This rechargeable USB 10,000 lumen handheld torch is perfect for all your outdoor adventures. With its high-powered XHP 70 LED, it can light over the length of about 2.5 football fields. You will never be left in the dark again. The flashlight has a zoomable feature and is waterproof with an IP67 rating. It's ideal for camping, hiking, emergency situations, and more. Durable enough to withstand rough handling and exposure to the elements, the cost of this flashlight is around $30. Wrist Cam is a camera band for Apple Watch that doubles as an on-the-go camera. It has two built-in cameras, an outward-facing 8-megapixel lens for videos and photos, and a 2-megapixel selfie shooter. With this band, you can shoot 4K photos and 1080p videos with just simple tap command. The Wrist Cam water-resistant Apple Band supports high-resolution pictures, videos, and video sharing, camera stabilization for movements, Siri integration, 2 microphones, and Wi-Fi connectivity. The cost of this item is $299. The Beeline Velo 2 is a smart navigation device that helps you find your way around the city while cycling. It has a simple and intuitive interface that shows you the direction you need to go in and the distance to your destination. It also has a built-in compass and an accelerometer that can detect when you're turning or changing direction. One of the standout features of the Beeline Velo 2 is its ability to create custom routes based on your preferences. You can also save your favorite routes for future use. Another great feature of the Beeline Velo 2 is its compatibility with Strava and other fitness apps. You can track your cycling stats, such as speed, distance, and calories burned while using the device. The Beeline Velo 2 is also very easy to install and use. It attaches to your bike's handlebars using a simple strap and can be controlled using just one button. The battery life is also impressive, lasting up to 30 hours on a single charge. The Beeline Velo 2 is available now via the Beeline website and costs just $100. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, and as always, thanks for watching.